Shilpin machine tools.
Introducing the Smart Factory Automation Cell. Witness the various technologies and devices used in this cell during an auto cycle. As a first step, the raw material must be verified along with its dimensions. The 6-axis robot picks up the component, with the RFID tag embedded within it, and places it on the vision system for automatic visual inspection. The camera takes a photo and verifies that the raw material is of the correct dimensions. A signal sent to the RFID updates this status. The status of the raw material is updated in real time via the RFID tag and can be seen on the SCADA system. Next, the robot feeds the component to the CNC lathe machine. The chuck holds the part and the robot goes to its safe position. The door closes shut automatically and the facing and outer diameter turning operations are performed by the lathe. On completion of the cycle, the machine door opens and the robot approaches the workpiece. The chuck lets go of it and the robot carries it to the vision inspection station to verify the correctness of the turning operation. The robot then carries the workpiece to the CNC milling machine. Once it is clamped in the vise, the coolant starts flowing and the slot milling operation takes place. Every step is automated. After the slot milling, it's time for an automatic tool change. The new tool's length is calibrated using a Z-tool preset. The next operation is PEC drilling. The milling operations are again followed by an intermediate vision inspection. Next up is the tapping station. One can witness a human-machine collaboration here. The operator picks up the part and places it in a fixture. He then proceeds to use a pneumatic tapping tool to make threads in the drilled holes. He places the workpiece back to its original position and updates the SCADA screen to indicate the end of the tapping process. As a next step, the robot places the machine component on the assembly station. The SCADA robot picks up a bearing and assembles it on the component. The articulated robot takes the assembly for a final visual inspection. Having passed the final inspection, the 6-axis robot places the finished assembly into the storage retrieval system. The SCADA robot transfers it to the finished goods storage area, marking the end of the complete automation cycle.
Contact us today for a free consultation. Shilpin machine tools.